Hi everyone, welcome back to another Best Reviews video review. This time we're delving into HOMER, a fun educational service that makes the most out of your kids' screen time. Launched in 2013, the HOMER apps rely on a revolutionary teaching method designed by educational experts to provide your children with the best possible learning experience. But are its games and activities enjoyable enough to keep kids interested and entertained? Stick around to see if HOMER is the right tool to kickstart your little one's journey into learning. And if you're looking for a more in-depth review and information on how to get the service for a lower price or even free, check out the link in the description box below. Now let's begin. As HOMER is suitable for children aged 0 to 8, it needs to adapt its content to different abilities. So, during the sign-up process, parents are asked questions, such as how able their children are to recognise sounds, spell, and handle simple addition and subtraction problems. If you have more than one kid eager to join the fun, HOMER allows up to 4 different profiles, and the resources adapt to each child's abilities. HOMER's digital content is entirely mobile-based for 2 different apps, Learn and Grow and Learn and Play, available for iOS and Android. But don't worry about having to be constantly connected to the internet. Once the apps have been launched, your kid can enjoy HOMER's entire list of games and activities offline. When it comes to being child-friendly, both apps rack up the points. Their use of big buttons, flashy colours, and friendly-looking animals immediately stand out, making for a pleasing and captivating interface. As far as parental control goes, each app has a grown-up option that opens a dashboard where you can tweak account and content settings. You'd be mistaken if you thought HOMER created its content for pure entertainment purposes. The company has done extensive research applying a proven method developed by education experts and advisors with decades of experience. It is a 4-step approach to learning that revolves around sparking kids' interest by introducing a new skill, followed by playful practice that reinforces it. Then, it's all about applying this new skill to other contexts, and eventually to a real-world setting. Every game and activity provided by HOMER has this 4-step approach at its core, thus creating a highly engaging and effective learning program. The first app, Learn and Grow, is best suited for kids aged 2 to 8 and teaches 5 subjects: math, reading, social and emotional learning, thinking skills, and creativity. Depending on the child's age, it will teach anything from counting to 10 to reading. Although the math and reading sections are the app's main focus, the other subjects also have a lot to offer. The emotional learning module is excellent for developing children's ability to identify and react to emotions, while the thinking skills section develops logic and problem-solving skills. Last, but certainly not least, drawing, painting, and building in the creativity module can truly unlock a child's artistic side. HOMER's other app, Learn and Play, is the product of a collaboration with renowned baby toy manufacturer Fisher-Price and is tailored for toddlers and babies aged 0 to 2. As a result, it's a much simpler app that can be used solely for entertainment with lullabies, sing-alongs, and bedtime stories. However, Learn and Play's content also comes with high educational value. Although not as complex, the app still follows the HOMER method to teach simple shapes, colours, letters, numbers, and animal sounds, while encouraging dancing to develop motor skills. In addition to the 2 mobile apps, parents can also order 3 physical activity kits that act as a bridge between digital learning and real life. Besides teaching basic math, reading, and social skills, the 3 packages, Explore Numbers, Explore Letters, and Explore Feelings, also come with exciting toys such as magnets, masks, and even kaleidoscopes. Given that HOMER's library of thousands of games and activities is constantly updating, it makes sense for the service to be subscription-based. Even so, the company keeps things simple. Every pricing plan grants access to all features and allows for up to 4 child profiles, with the only difference being the billing cycle. You can get either a monthly or an annual subscription, which halves the total yearly price and gives you the option to purchase all 3 Explore kits in a bundle at a lower cost. This turns HOMER into a very inexpensive service, especially if many kids use the platform. Still, parents can take advantage of a sweet free trial to test HOMER's features before committing to a subscription. To find out about more discounts and free ways to use HOMER, be sure to visit our website at bestreviews.net. Before reaching out to a HOMER representative, you'll likely find a solution to your problem in the company's help centre, which is filled with several FAQs that can be searched by category or keyword. Likewise, Homer's blog and YouTube page are full of information and regularly updated with interesting and helpful content. But if you do prefer the human touch, there's no shortage of options. Either start the 24/7 live chat, message the company through Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, or fill out its contact form to get an email reply within a day. There's no doubt that what's most impressive about HOMER is how well it adapts its content to different ages. By doing so, it provides a genuinely fun and immersive learning experience based on its own scientifically proven method that paves the way for thousands of educational and captivating games, all accessible both online and off. However, the fact it is only available in English excludes a significant number of children. When factoring in the Explore kits, it's clear that kids aged 3 to 6 will get the most out of Homer's features, as well as their parents who get help turning their children's unproductive screen time into a meaningful educational adventure. Does HOMER feel like the right way to hone your little one's skills? To know more about this service, including its free trials and discounts, don't forget to visit our website through the link in the description box below. Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!